Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, we have a quick but important update for all Samsung users. If you've been using Samsung Gallery to back up your photos and videos, then there is a major change coming up you need to know about. Now, do not panic because you're not losing your photos, you're not losing your videos, and Microsoft is not deleting your files. So in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be quickly explaining for you what exactly is changing and how that may affect you and what you can do about it. But without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. But if you've ever opened your Samsung Gallery application and seen thousands of photos available, even though they are not sitting on your phone, this video might affect you. Because Samsung is ending that most useful integration between itself and then Microsoft. The good news is your photos are safe, and the bad news is it might affect some people and might not affect some people. But let's see in a couple of minutes whether it affects you too. So in somewhere around 2020, there was an agreement between Samsung and Microsoft to relieve Samsung's cloud of storing photos for Samsung users. And so if you turned on the sync feature, was synced now to OneDrive, which stores all your photos and videos. But now that is changing because Samsung is canceling that feature, September ending. Let me show you. Now, when you come inside your gallery like this, come down here into menu and go into settings, you would find up above here that there is sync with OneDrive. Now, that is exactly what I'm talking about. You can see written next to it, the syncing support ends on 30th September 2026. Now, with this, Samsung is, by virtue of this message here, telling us we are losing that fluidity between backing up your files onto the OneDrive and still seeing it on your gallery whenever you open it. It is that breach that is being taken away. So your files actually still can get backed up into your OneDrive application, except that you're not going to be seeing them inside your gallery in real time. Now, this is quite similar to Google Photos. In Google Photos, if I've deleted photos from inside my phone, I'm still going to see the old ones inside Google Photos, but not inside my gallery. And that's because there is no integration between Google Photos and my gallery application, but there was that integration between OneDrive and the Samsung Gallery. So even deleted photos, once they were backed up onto the OneDrive, you could find them, except that is what is leaving. And so what does this mean? This means that everybody is advised to now go here into your gallery application, tap on this menu and tap on settings. Once you're in here, come and tap on this. And then as you can see here, the same information is there. To continue backing up your photos and videos to OneDrive, turn on the camera backup feature inside the OneDrive application. So the most important thing is to download the OneDrive application and then continue to backup. So here I have it installed already. So I'm just going to tap on this and immediately it's going to open here. Now, just to show you that that is it, I'm going to scroll up this way and you can see that's the OneDrive application. To download the OneDrive application, come into the Play Store, and once you're in here, tap on search and search for OneDrive. Okay, and then here you can download it and have it on your phone. So that's Microsoft OneDrive. Once you have it on your phone, Samsung has an account that is linked already to this, so you're just going to log in with your Samsung account details. Once you're inside here, you're going to tap on your profile app there like that, and then you're going to come into settings. Once you're in here, as you look through, you're going to see Gallery Sync. This Gallery Sync, which is under Samsung Photos, is what is going away. So the next possible thing you want to turn on is the camera backup here, if you want all your photos and videos to be backed up onto your OneDrive application. So when you tap on this, you can turn it on and then confirm that. That will mean that all your camera photos will be backed up onto this. Here are features that you want to turn on or off. That's, for example, for the camera backup account, this is it. And then options like, should it include videos? If you wanted to include videos, you can toggle that on. Is it Wi-Fi only or should it be data also? Do you want it to back up whilst charging? You want to talk about that, and the battery usage during that. Do you want it to be restricted or not? So basically, this is what you want to do to make sure that your photos are still getting backed up to your OneDrive account. But again, the only issue is you're not going to see your backed up photos inside your gallery application. Next thing you want to do, just in case you're a person who wants to store all your photos inside your phone, then you want to come here and then download all your photos. And this is how you're going to do it. Similar If you have your photos backed up this way, all you're going to do here is come and hold down on each thing, like select all the things you want to download. You want to download back onto your phone, and then you can proceed to download it here. Or you can select specific ones, add them to albums, and then download the album in total. This is the way forward to back up your photos for yourself if you want to store them on your phone. And for those who just want to store them and not necessarily view them, you can do this feature also. So there you have it. Samsung is not deleting your photos, and Microsoft is not deleting them either. And your backups are not disappearing. Samsung is simply ending that direct gallery sync integration between the OneDrive that originally replaced Samsung Cloud Backup in 2022 and 2021. Moving forward, you can continue using the OneDrive application, or switch to Google Photos, or keep everything stored on your phone. These are the 3 things you should be considering to back up or store your photos. Personally, I store most of them on Google Photos and on my local memory. So you could use this also. So let me know in the comment section, were you actually using OneDrive Gallery Sync, or you're already using another backup solution? But without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. And until later, peace out.